It's spring and it's getting warmer outside, and we are starting to have a small problem in our workshop. Our offcuts are piling up. In the winter we used to turn all of our plywood scraps into heat by burning them in the furnace. It was a perfect solution, but now it's warm anyway, and burning the offcuts wouldn't make much sense. So we decided to collect the scraps for the fall, when it's getting colder. For that, large storage box would be perfect. But we can't just make a regular box out of 5 rectangular pieces. That would be too easy. However, we can't make something with complicated patterns either. We have to craft something that would fit in our workshop interior. So we will keep it simple, practical, and use the same digital joints we have used when building some of our work tables. This way the box components would look like they belong in our workshop. Anyway, we have already made the 5 necessary parts for the box. However, before we assemble the project, I will load another sheet on the CNC router and make a couple of new attachments for our pegboard wall. We will get back to that in a little bit. Anyway, as the first step, I added the sides to the bottom panel. Then we could add the other box sides. I decided to use the wedge joints to ensure the box corners won't come apart when box would be full of our offcuts. Also, I had to make the same cuts at the bottom and top of each side component as we had used in other box projects. These cuts will ensure the boxes are stackable. It means when the first offcut box is full, I will make another one, fill that, and make another one. And so on. You get the idea. Anyway, we have to attach the caster wheels at the bottom of the box to complete the project. These will be helpful when I need to move the offcut box around the workshop. And with that, our offcut box is complete. Now we can cut our plywood offcuts in smaller pieces and place them in the box. It will help us keep our workshop clean and organized. Which reminds me, I have to show you the new pegboard attachment. One of our subscribers emailed us and recommended we make a proper attachment for our circular saw, so we had to design it. I kept it simple with as few components as possible. And this is how it looks when attached to the pegboard wall. Nice and beautiful. Also, we made a simple holder for our tape rolls. Thank you guys for leaving great ideas in the comment section. Anyways, we are almost done with chopping up and collecting our scraps into the offcut box, and we have plenty of room left. I didn't think the box would be that spacious. If you would like to make an offcut box like this one for your workshop, you will find the free DXF files at aribabox.com. And if you would like to see how you can turn your plywood scraps into beautiful caster wheels, we recommend you watch this video. Anyway, I'll see you in the next Aribabox Workshop episode.